Gang, gang, y'all see us, man. We done boxed up for this Hurricane Ida about to come through. You hear me? Hurricane Ida about to come through. I had to clean all the porch right there. Had to stuff the Monte Carlo. Not the Monte Carlo, I had to stuff the garage. Y'all see all this stuff. 240, 790, huh? Yeah. You hear me? She about to come through, though. I don't want to show y'all too much. Check out the channel, subscribe, you hear me? Show that good love. But I gotta head back, you hear me, to the delivery room. See y'all when we get down. You see they showing y'all all this right now? Government Edwards, please honor curfew. Yeah, now they want us to stop running appliances and stuff and save the water. Cause the drainage system bad in New Orleans. You see this? You see that? The water ain't even going down. You know why? Because the drainage is dirty, guys. We gotta stop this. We gotta stop it. Y'all subscribe to the channel. Alright, YouTube. Y'all see it, baby. Y'all see that building? It's about to go in the air. You see that corner piece flapping right there? That's the corner of the building. All the way to the other light, that's all metal stud. It fills the building. You'll see it, that white color, same color as that sheet metal. Y'all see that? That's from Hurricane Ida.
With symptoms like frequent gas and stomach pain for years.
People are having to go on the levee. Look at all the power lines. Check out all the trees. This goes it's amazing the amount of power lines that are down. The trees are covering everywhere. The only way that people can get past right now is going onto the levee. People are riding bicycles. They're riding. They're jogging around. There's the only way.
Somebody said it was a good idea to park their trucks over there, huh?
That's the message I've been making clear to the mayor.
Building falling. You see, it got a net up top.
Even before Ida made landfall, I had more than 250 generators, and we're working on getting more into the area, especially to hospitals in desperate need of them. The Department of Health and Human Services.
And I want to throw something in as well. We're coming up on lunchtime here.
You know, ponytail get any show.
More Operation Stormwatch coming up for you in a moment. Now, I'm Jerry McCready from
we're able to make our way to look. We spoke to folks that were out there. One woman, she was really just such a trooper, but it was a scary. Take a listen to what she had to say.
The front door noted
Video that I sent back from the Laplace damage video down Airline Highway. A lot of wind damage across Airline Highway. You can tell, that water just washed off a lot of the debris off the area, but there are power lines down. It's certainly going to be a huge effort to get things back in order. On top of that, anyone, I've gotten several questions on Facebook and on Instagram as well about I-10 from about the Belterre exit there in Laplace to the Bonnie Carey spillway. The last time we were there, we drove out of there probably around 9 o'clock or so. It was impacted on both directions, especially for late. I didn't get a picture of it, but I'm telling you, it's 6-7 foot alligator sitting there in the middle of the road, just
the side of the levee that some people are using there, but it only works for so speeds.
Fox 8 Studios back in Mid-City took a major power.
See it, gang. Hurricane Ida. Clean up backyard. Cleaning it up, baby.